Hi, this is a review and bonus for Writerhubonline, or Who. Now, this is going to talk about how to get best-selling books with just using a keyword. A couple of clicks. This is actually more powerful than when I was doing YouTube automation. When that was still viable, this is a gold mine and this is crazy. Let's jump in and I'm going to show you how you can quickly, easily get a best-selling book in 4 clicks, get a 10-chapter book written with just a keyword, and have a best-selling book created for $5 or less. The app I'm going to show you today has already created several best-selling books with literally just putting in one keyword. Like I said, we're going to be doing a review of Writerhubonline. And right here, you see it creates book, it creates the sales copy, it creates 14-day email series so that you can go ahead and promote your book through email. It creates the Amazon book description, all the social media posts for your book, video scripts so that you can quickly and easily use AI to create videos. It has video descriptions, it has blog posts, and I literally stopped production on an app I was creating because I saw this, I used this, and I saw how powerful it was. This right here is industry changing. And I'm going to be creating a whole follow-up series with this on how to use it and strategies on how to maximize the output of this. First of all, let's dive into the bonus. If you do buy through my link, if you think this is as revolutionary as I do, and you buy through my link, I'm going to give you a whole host of bonuses you're not going to find anywhere else because they're exclusive. I've created them and you're not going to find them anywhere else. So first of all, I will give you access to my coloring book prompt creator extension. And this is going to do 2 things. It's going to be able to help you create coloring book prompts super quickly for every kind of niche, animal, for every kind of style, for every kind of background. And if you're doing like specific animals, it'll have all the breeds of the animals. You'll be able to create bulk prompts. So right here, we have 36 prompts that you can go ahead and use quickly and easily. And when you're using it inside of the Midjourney/Discord, it will also have an overlay so that you're able to upscale and download all of your created images from your prompts, or you can do them individually. You'll be able to get the picture link, download the image, or copy the prompt. And when you create the image itself, you'll be able to also get the link, download the image, or copy the prompt. I'm also going to give you access to my course that I am building out right now, the 17 ways that Amazon pays all of my bills. It currently has 2 courses inside that I've already created. My Midjourney Millions course that was recently launched on Warrior Plus. This shows you how you're able to make up to millions of Midjourney coloring pages per year and all the tips and tricks to be able to speed up and optimize your creations to get the exact prompts that you are looking for and to get pictures that are more closely look like your prompts. You'll also get access to my course, Beyond AMZ Influencer. This actually shows you how I went from $0 to $550 in 30 days with the Amazon Influencer Program and how I've been able to get over $5,000 in free products, as well as how to be able to get approved for other free products and payments, even if you're not doing the on-site influencer program, as well as other ways to be able to make money if you haven't gotten approved for the on-site videos yet. This course right here is already selling for 98 bucks. I've sold a ton of these. You're going to also get access to this as long as you are subscribed to Writerhubonline. So we're going to go through the sales page, then we get behind the scenes, show you exactly how it uses. It's a super simple interface and it's super, super easy to use, and it's amazingly powerful, the outputs that it's creating. So you've already seen what it's supposed to do. You see some training here on how to use it. You literally just enter the topic or the keyword of the book that you want to create. You save it and it starts generating in the background. You walk away, go do other things. It'll take, depending on how long the book is you want to create, it will take anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours to create in the background. But like I said, I was able to create a 10-chapter book for $4.83 after just putting the target title that I wanted. It creates content that you can publish on Amazon KDP, Lulu Press, Draft2Digital, Etsy, Gumroad, Digital Store 24, Your Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and you can also write books for other people, like on Fiverr or Upwork, and you can sell books that you have written. You write them for $5, sell them for $50 to $100. You can't beat that. Now, right here, they talk about earning affiliate commissions easily, and I just actually went through a training with this yesterday where we're actually able to add inside the chapter notes where you can have it actually add in your affiliate links and your call to action inside the book automatically for you as it's written, so it's pretty amazing. One thing that the creator has done is creating unique bonuses. And what this does is they will go for a product they are promoting, like on JVZoo or Warrior Plus, and they will actually put in the name, put in the brief of what the product is, and it will actually write a book about that topic that you're able to use as a bonus for people who are getting that product. And you can have that as a bonus and a follow-up sequence and give them like reseller rights if you want as well. And right here, this pretty much sums it up right here. Enter in your topic idea, select your title, click save, and generate and export. Now, this is if you just want to do it hands-free. This is all you do. Crack open a frosty cool drink and relax. And like I said, it's already created numerous bestsellers from the books that it has created. There are 3 examples on the sales page. Here is the first book I created, and there's a special hint in here. This is actually targeting a specific product that I am promoting for high ticket affiliate marketing. And this right here is the book that I created. It's 10 chapters. Literally all I did was I put in what I wanted to be the topic, and then you select the title that you want, and then it creates the chapters. And you see here, it's got 10 chapters and sub-chapters on the topic that I wanted. And if you go in here, you can actually click on it, and it will have the chapter and the sub-chapters inside. And so you have the sub-chapters as well. And so this here is ready to export. And then it also creates a description for your Amazon post. It creates 14-day email follow-up. So I literally just click the button, and it creates emails for you to go ahead and promote the book in text form. So you can get in there and break it up if you want, but it has everything that is in there to go ahead and promote the book. It also does social media posts, sales page, video script, blog posts, resources, and export it, and it's ready to go. It has integrations inside for Word AI, Unsplash, and OpenAI. Now, you do need to have your OpenAI API key here, and they have that in the training on how to get that. And like I said, each book created, I created a 10-chapter book with 36 sub-chapters. And with that, it cost me $4.64 with GPT 3.5. So $4.64. Literally just put in a title and it creates the book for me and it's ready to upload. Now, you can add some pictures, you can go ahead and format it or edit it or do anything like that you want to spice it up a little bit, maybe add some Q&As. But literally for $4.64, you can't even beat that on Fiverr. And it's a 10-chapter, 25,000 word book. Where are you going to find that? You're not going to find that anywhere. And right here, we have another one that just went to a bestseller right here for networks, protocols, and APIs, and in networking, a bestseller in both of those for another book that was posted by Writerhubonline. Let's go ahead and run through this real quick. So go ahead and get your key phrase. Right here, it gives you 3 titles that you could choose from. You choose the one that you like here, and you say create. You can edit the title if you want. So we're just going to add 2 words here to the title. And so we're going to say website creation. And then once we have that, we're just going to go ahead and click the check. We can go here to chapters and generate. And now it's just going to sit back. It's going to go ahead and generate this. Like I said, it'll take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. Now we're here in the settings section after we selected our title. And you see here, we have the general settings, the author information, and the export and download. And you can export as Spintax if you want to make this multiple books, but I don't suggest that. But you have the general, you can say how many chapters that you want. And what I have here is a little secret. So instead of saying 3 sub-chapters for each, hit 0. And this is going to actually allow the AI to select how many sub-chapters it thinks it needs for each chapter, depending on the information that it has. What I like here is that you can actually generate up-to-date content right here. So you can go ahead and click that. You can say what your tone of voice is, casual, formal, excited, friendly. And then you could say your point of view. So right here, first person plural, second person, you and yours. And you always want to put the book in their hands and have them imagine what they're doing. So I always try to do second person. And this is where you can put a brief about the book if you want. Inside of here, you can actually put a description of, say, like a product that you are creating. You could have ChatGPT do that, or you could just manually write it here. And so that you can have a focus for what the book is on top of it, creating all of the other content for you as well. So you don't need to do this, and you can actually have it create your 10-chapter book without it. But you can go ahead and add this, and it'll make it more focused on what you want. So I have my content brief in there, and I am ready to save. And now we can just go ahead and generate and export. You just let it run in the background as it goes, and it's automatically going to create your content, your description, your email sequence, your social media posts, your sales page, your video scripts, and your articles. And right there, that is another book in the bag. So if you want to go ahead and take advantage of my bonuses, make sure you click the link below, and when you purchase, you'll be automatically taken to the page where you can claim your bonuses. And as long as you stay subscribed to Writerhubonline, where you can create unlimited books every single month, you will be able to keep access to my bonuses, my extension, and you will get all the new updates for my course on the 17 ways that Amazon pays all of my bills. Thank you so much for watching the Writerhubonline review and bonus. I'll talk to you later.